Healthy glowing skin and natural wellness often begin with the right self-care routine. Many people search for a gentle solution that supports beauty, relaxation, and daily recovery. The best Viconor red light therapy machine brings a modern approach to personal care, inspiring people who want to feel confident in their appearance and well-being. Imagine taking a peaceful moment for yourself while supporting skin vitality and comfort, creating a calming ritual that helps you look refreshed and feel truly revitalized every day. Number 1. Viconor red light therapy massage. Many people experience discomfort in the shoulder area after long working hours, daily movement, or physical effort. A gentle wellness routine can help the body feel calmer and more balanced during busy life. Viconor red light therapy for shoulder pain relief offers a comforting approach for individuals who want to care for their body while enjoying a peaceful moment of relaxation. Taking time for personal recovery can support a more positive mindset and encourage a healthier lifestyle. A quiet evening often becomes the best time to focus on body wellness. Infrared light therapy for the body may create a soothing sensation that helps people feel relaxed after a demanding day. Many individuals look for ways to support joint and muscle comfort while improving overall physical well-being. A calming therapy session can help the body feel refreshed and encourage a natural sense of recovery that motivates people to stay active. Self-care habits are important for maintaining energy and confidence. When the body feels comfortable, daily tasks become easier and more enjoyable. A thoughtful wellness routine that includes red light therapy may inspire individuals to pay more attention to their physical health. Over time, this small habit can support relaxation, encourage muscle comfort, and help people feel more confident while enjoying a calm moment of personal care. Number 2. Snailax full body massage mat with heat. Long working days often create silent tiredness inside muscles and mind. People search for gentle comfort that feels like a warm hug after stressful routines. The Snailax full body massage mat with heat offers a soothing experience for people who want relaxation while sitting on sofa, reclining chair, or bed. Soft vibration and heating comfort help body feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced during evening rest time. Many customers want wellness products that support personal comfort while spending peaceful moments at home with family or alone. Deep kneading Shiatsu style massage helps support back comfort and body relaxation after heavy physical movement or long office sitting. This massage pad for chair can create emotional satisfaction because it brings spa-like relaxation feeling without leaving home. Modern lifestyle demands quick recovery solutions, and this massage mat helps people feel renewed energy for next day activities. Gifting wellness items for loved ones also creates emotional bonding and care expression. Men and women both search for thoughtful health comfort gifts that show love and concern. Heating massage therapy may help create soft warmth sensation that supports muscle calmness and promotes better rest quality. Choosing this massage wellness companion can improve lifestyle comfort, promote peaceful sleep preparation, and support daily body care happiness. Number 3. InvoSpa Shiatsu Massager with Heat. Modern life often brings stress, long screen time, and body stiffness that quietly affects comfort and mood. Many people want a relaxing experience that feels like personal care therapy after busy work or travel. The InvoSpa Shiatsu Massager with Heat supports this emotional need by helping people feel comfort in neck, shoulders, and back areas. Soft kneading pressure can create calm sensation, helping body muscles feel less tense and more balanced during evening relaxation time at home. Personal wellness routines are becoming more important for people who value healthy lifestyle habits. Electric full-body massage solutions can help support body recovery without visiting expensive spa centers. Gentle heating warmth spreads across muscle areas, creating soothing relief that feels like peaceful rest after long physical effort. Customers often search for wellness items that improve sleep preparation and help mind feel relaxed before night rest. Choosing a massage pillow for daily recovery can improve confidence and emotional satisfaction. Many individuals want body comfort products that show care for personal health. Supporting muscle wellness may help improve energy level for next day activities. Soft massage therapy at home can encourage better lifestyle balance, support circulation awareness, and create positive feelings about personal health care while enjoying quiet moments of comfort and mental peace. Number 4. SKGFSA Eligible Cordless Neck Massager for Pain. Daily stress and long sitting hours often create hidden pain inside neck and shoulder muscles. Many people quietly search for comfort that feels like caring touch after exhausting work or steady pressure. SKGFSA eligible cordless neck massager for pain relief brings emotional comfort to people who want personal relaxation without visiting crowded therapy centers. The smooth Shiatsu style pressure slowly helps muscles feel loose, soft, and relaxed while supporting natural body balance during evening rest time. Modern lifestyle makes people search online for wellness therapy tools that support health and confidence. Deep tissue massage feeling across trapezius muscle areas can help reduce tightness caused by long screen watching or physical activity. Warm therapy sensation spreads gentle calmness across body areas, creating peaceful mental feeling after busy schedule. Lymphatic drainage style relaxation therapy may help body feel lighter and more energetic for next day challenges. Choosing HSA items. H7 Ultra Wellness tools can become meaningful self-care investment for personal happiness. Cordless design allows freedom of movement while resting on sofa, bed, or chair. Family members often choose this type of massage support product as thoughtful gift for loved ones who need daily comfort, emotional care, and healthier living balance. Regular massage habit can support better lifestyle rhythm and body comfort journey. Number 5. COMFIER HSA eligible Shiatsu neck massager. Many people experience silent discomfort in neck and shoulder muscles after long work pressure, travel stress, or constant mobile screen watching. The COMFIER HSA eligible Shiatsu neck massager with heat helps people feel emotional relief while relaxing at home. Modern wellness lifestyle products are becoming popular because they allow personal care without leaving home comfort zone. A gentle massage session can help body feel lighter, calmer, and more emotionally balanced after tiring daily activities. Deep tissue comfort therapy helps support muscle relaxation across neck and shoulder areas where tension usually gathers. Graphene heating technology spreads soft warmth feeling across skin surface, helping body feel peaceful during night relaxation time. Cordless design gives freedom to move and rest on sofa, bed, or chair while enjoying soothing massage rhythm. People often search for wellness products that support mental peace as well as physical comfort. 4D kneading massage pillow creates spa-like emotional satisfaction inside home environment. Many customers buy this type of massage wellness item as personal health investment. Family members also choose this as thoughtful gift for loved ones who work long hours. Regular massage comfort habit may help improve lifestyle balance, support sleep quality, and encourage positive mood during busy life schedules while maintaining natural body recovery energy.